Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are the talk about while speaking the English, you should stop the translating because of the everyone there are the translating our mother tongue to the English. It is the tough for everyone. It is the take time. That is that's the reason you were the stucking or even the struggling to speak the English. Don't the translate when you speaking the English, like instead of you should the practice guys. The initially it is the take time because of I'm also initially the my mother tongue to English I am the translating. It is the take time. After that I am watching the English content, I am watching the videos and movies. It is the makes me the better. In other words, if I am not like the translating my mother tongue to English, it's the naturally the coming. Because of why it is a naturally coming. If you putting so many effort, the hours and the days, yeah, it is a easily it will come. So at least every day you should the practice the how to say the 5 to 10 minutes. So that is a enough guys. You should if you it is a wrong initially it is a fine, it is a okay because of every day you practicing. So that is the key. Yeah, your mind will be adapted for your communication skills. Yeah, we are the thinking on that. And also the every person it is a unique guys. It is a naturally the speaking the English, it is important. Guys, I'm also initially speaking in the English. It is a take time, and also how to say I am putting so many effort, and also even I made a mistake. I am not the worry about that, and also in my the progress. It is a take time, and also I am the even the practicing the every day because of I like to speak English. Like I am every day the practicing. So that is the key, guys. So don't the translating your mother tongue to the English because of it is the take time. Your mind will be the processing. It is the like you are struggling to speak. Guys, if you the realize so when you the speaking the English your mother tongue to some of the word you translating the English, it is the take time. So that time you are the struggling, you are the wobbling, you are stuck in you are speaking the English. So if you the instead of yeah, you can see me, I am not the translating. In my mind, I am not like in anything. I am not the translating. Yeah, we are speaking like that. We are the speaking. Yeah, instead of we are the mother tongue. So, yeah, I am the translating. So I am not do that because of the translating. It is a take time. It is the how to say you are struggling. It is the happen for the everyone. So if you the practicing like 5 to 6 days, yeah, your mind will be adapted. The compared to one day, it is the fifth day. It is the completely that difference. So don't the translating. It's the initially it is the struggling guys. Everyone is a I know because of instead of I am also at least the one minute I can't speak the English the fluently. After that I'm the practicing. It's a day by day improve my communication skills. So guys, in this video we're gonna see don't the translating when speaking the English your mother tongue to English. So yeah guys, if you helpful this video, so please subscribe my channel and also like and share with your friends. It is makes helpful for me and motivated for me. Like keep doing this video. Okay, thanks for the watching. We gonna see next video.